Ryan the Fan Guy here. Here we have a Casablanca Stealth, number 2 of 2, but the speeds are updated. So basically, speed 2 is now like regular speed 2. Now, fans that still need to update speeds are the Victorian 2, that's on speed 3 right now. Victorian, Bel Air, and the Novell. As fans that need speeds updated. So anyways, that's the right control. So anyways, download. I press the buttons very fast. I've done that before, fine. Sometimes it doesn't communicate well if I press the buttons too fast. Felt like pressing the buttons a little faster this time. Forgot to turn the fans on the back again. That is it for demo mode. Here's speed 1. South looks pretty nice on speed 1, but speed 1's still the same like it was before speed 2 was edited. So speaking of speed 2, we'll move up to speed 2. Show you what speed 2 looks like now. So it means we can run them on speed 2 in the winter time too if we need to. And the 19th century, I forgot to turn the 19th century on, so I have to go turn the 19th. I'm gonna turn the 19th century on real quick. I'm gonna turn on speed 3. Speed 4 actually. Speed 4 with the light. Let's go back to the south. It's on speed 2 right now. It's beautiful. It's a little better, but it's still beautiful looking to look at while it's on speed 2. Just average low speed. So when it's really cool, I'll put it on speed 2 usually, but typically we'll run on speed 3. But I'll have to modify speed 2 for the stealth, for the Bel Air actually. I want to try to use the Bel Air Halo and see how the speeds are edited for the Bel Air Halo and see if they're the same or if they're lower. That's the wrong stealth controller. My bad. I'm so tired today. Speed 3. This is the speed one. It's really cooler. I'll put it on speed 3 usually. I think I'm going to put the Victorian 2 on fan testing. The light. Speed 4. Fully brightness. And here it is, fully brightness. In the Venus halo that I have in my world, that needs speed 1 needs to be fixed. So it looks like speed 3. Speed 5. Oh, I forgot the light off. And here's speed 6. He's high. That will bring us back to do, oh, oh, oh. Do, do, a deer, a female deer. That's the dryer. Somebody's doing laundry in my dorm right now. And here's spin down. And spin it down, and I'm going to reverse it. It's just like how the Bel Air, when I do update season the Bel Air, I'm still going to sing doe deer, female deer. Because it is, I do love that song. Like it's I do love the sound of music. And speaking of that, speaking of that, the Bel Air, they sit in the Cali Zephyr upstairs. The Victorian 2 up here is no longer here, and it's now California Zephyr up there. And that does doe, a deer, a female deer, Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, far a long way to run. Just similar to the Stealth does that. The Bel Air does that because it's because Ceiling Fan Central's California Zephyr does that too. And I want to make it look like Ceiling Fan Central's. So here's speed 1 reverse. Backwards. Do, a deer. Speed 1, a deer, a female deer in reverse. Ray, a tropical. Well, it's not do re mi, but Bel Air's do re mi. I wish it was do re mi. I wish if I convert one of these to IT3, I want to make it do do re mi. I want to try to convert a Saturn IT3, no, a California Zephyr to IT3 to make it look like don't remember Braxton the Vintage Fan Man's California Zephyr. Here's speed 4. Speed 5. And 6. And it's already 9 minutes again. The other one was 9 minutes, but But I'm doing 9 minutes on this one since I want to show you the speed a little longer. So anyways, let's wait for it to get up to speed. And let's turn it off and back. Anyways, that is it. That is the Casablanca style ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.